back to these deep waters of Coney Island. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand got down.
Clean up my radio, sound like a bunch of damn bumblebees on my radio. 515, big bang, I'm on the mail.
515, look around Coney Island, I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, 515, look around Coney Island, I'm trying to clean out your radio. 515, Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down. Conditions are in and out, up and down. Conditions are in and out, up and down in these deep waters of Coney Island. Conditions are in and up and down in these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, good down.
They say, keep it on with it, keep it on. Can't believe you got that thing laid down in this stuff, yeah.
I heard you say bye, Trinitron9. I heard you say bye, Trinitron9. 515, get my ear hole. But I heard you coming back to Trinitron9. I heard you coming back to Trinitron9. Good evening. The man with the cornbread in his hand, got down. Right back, Big Flare. Right back, Big Flare. You still in Coney Island? Take care, Big Flare. You still in Coney Island? RickFlare, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down. Right, RickFlare. Hey, RickFlare, we'll do it from time to time. Hey, RickFlare, we'll do it from time to time. Take care, RickFlare, Trinitron. Hey, RickFlare, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. Right back 109, right back 109, here I come. Right back 109, here I come. Hey, 109, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. I'll see you, take care. I'll see you. I'm just over here eating cornbread in Coney Island. I'm just out here eating cornbread in Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. I got that good cornbread from heaven. I got the bread of heaven. That's the kind of cornbread I got, the bread of heaven. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. Have a good night. Who else can bump it down in these deep waters of Coney Island? Who else can bump it on down in these deep waters of Coney Island? Yes, I am the man with the cornbread in my hand. Trinitron9 is my name. Walking on water is my game. Ask me again, I'll tell you the same. Break.
Green, Big Hammer. Hey, Green, Big Hammer, 151 in Alabama, got down.
And Let me get out of the deep waters. I ain't got no conditions. Let me get out of these deep waters of Coney Island. I ain't got no conditions. I don't want to do no ghost talking. Let me get out of these deep waters of Coney Island. Good evening, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Good down. In the wave, I'm riding the wave, I'm riding the wave. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Get down.
Round Tennessee, get that thing down. 360, getting up.
360 making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island. 360 making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. Trinitron9, get down. And that's a Roger 360 live wire. That's a 360 live wire, Roger. Good evening, 360. You're Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? I hear cornbread coming up in the mix. I hear cornbread out there in the mix. Take your live wire, and all the good time game. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? Let me pull my cornbread out of the water. Let me pull my cornbread out of the water. Let me get this cornbread out of the water. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Let me get my cornbread out of the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
1, 2, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. 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 Test 1, 2.
Who's gonna clean out my radio? Trinitron9 said, who's gonna clean out my radio? Who's gonna clean out my Coney Island radio? Who's gonna clean out my Coney Island radio? Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
All I did was say test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Hello, G, Mr. Boy, Rocky, got a copy, baby.
We're going to clean up this Coney Island base station.
Can you say 151 Alabama? Hey, 144, can you say 151 in Big Ram? 144, 151 Alabama, standing by.
Hey, 151, look around Coney Island. Hey, 151, look around Coney Island. Hey, 151, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down?
Take care, Mr. Bill. Walk, I'm blackout.
Heard SwitchBlade up in there. I heard SwitchBlade up in there. Let me get out of these deep waters. I ain't got no conditions. I don't want to do no ghost talking. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down?
Stop by. Hey, stop by. If you know, call my name. Call my name. Hey, stop by, brother. Why ain't there big man with no conditions? Stand by.
Everybody got a whole lot of jumping up and down there, but I'm trying to get my radio cleaned out 2 ways there. I'm trying to get it cleaned out 2 ways out here in Coney Island. Y'all making a whole lot of noise in these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, get down?
I got it. Bad. I thought I would. We got rough. Y'all take care of me later. I ain't got no condition. I'm ready.
Who's gonna get it back to Coney Island? Who's gonna get it back to Coney Island? Who's gonna get it back to Coney Island? Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Hey, Trinitron, is you? Hey, Trinitron9. Hey, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron9, is that you out there, brother?
You know it's me. You know it's me. Hey, Switchblade, you know it's me. Good evening, Switchblade. Good evening, Switchblade. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, good down.
Hey, one of my compatriots out there, man. Hey, one of my compatriots, cause Azuka. Hey, I heard one of my compatriots out there. Hey, Azuka, senor. I'm light black, brother.
Take care, Switchblade. Take care, Switchblade. I know you got a lot of noise in your ear. I got a lot of noise in my ear. Take care, Switchblade. Trinitron9, good down.
Hey, Judge. I ain't gonna call you no lie cause you the judge. I can call you a lie. Hell, you a hanging judge. Hey, hanging judge, blow your horn. Hey, hanging judge. You said you're in the mobile, but you just put my damn ear. How about a hanging judge, bro?
We're gonna get it back to Coney Island and clean up this base station. We're gonna get it back to Coney Island and clean up this base station. Trinitron9, good down.
151 is right back. Yeah, dog. Man, a bunch of y'all keyed up that time, but 148 took over my radio. Check your hanging judge if you got a copy. I come in 148 took over my ear, whatever, come in real. Y'all take care. Switchblade, look at my driver.
Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, right there, right now. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, right there, right now. Good evening on the band. Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Ellen, good down.
You did it again. You did it again like you did back then. You did it again. Hey, I call you Mr. Boardwalk. They won, 148. 148, I call you Mr. Boardwalk. Hello to you, 148 on the boardwalk while you're talking that talk. Switchblade, one flag is right black.
Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Ellen. Hello around DX Land. Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Ellen, good down.
I think you said soldier trim, for some trim, or soldier trying to get some trim, so soldier getting the trim, hell, I don't know, sound like you said soldier.
We're gonna clean up my radio. There's a whole lot of hash and trash out here in Coney Island right now. We're gonna clean up my radio. There's a whole lot of hash and trash going on in Coney Island right about now. Who's gonna clean up this base station in Coney Island? Trinitron9, go down.
Sounding good in the home, so ain't nobody but Azuka, 144. Hey, 44, is that you? Who is that? Hey, play white, Azuka.
I heard Triple Eight out there. I heard Triple Eight in the mix out there. Hello, radio. I heard Triple Eight in the mix out there. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand, good down.
Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, it's rough. Azuka, it's rough. You can't use a little power. I'm out here looking at how to about a driver. Hey, look at this super silver. You got to have that speed down. Hey, cause ain't no excuses on the Super Bowl. Hey, so-and-so, 151.
Where you go, Triple Eight? I need my radio cleaned out. Where you go, Triple Eight? Where you go, Triple Eight? I need my Coney Island radio cleaned out. Triple Eight, Trinitron9, Coney Island, good down.
Hey, soldier, I heard you a minute ago, man. I thought this was rough. I thought you said a soldier looking for some trim. Hey, trying to get some trim or get a trim. Hey, soldier Slim. Hey, soldier Slim. I believe I got it right. I know you're about to.
Switchblade got my ear out here in Coney Island. Switchblade got my ear out here in Coney Island. I'm going to wave in here to say good evening, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. Switchblade got my ear out here in Coney Island. Good evening on the band, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Good down.
Yes, sir. From South. Hey, soldier Slim. I'm nothing but the driver. Hey, soldier Slim. From start to finish that time. You say it's going to be hard for him to get back with. Hey, you the man in control, so I talk to my radio. Hey, hanging judge, I leave no man left behind. Hanging judge, 151.
Let me get my cornbread out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island. Let me get my cornbread out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. It's rough and tough out here. I know a couple of people are coming back to me, but I got my ears. Switchblade got my ears. 151 got my ears, but it ain't no excuse on the bowl. It is what it is. Let me get this cornbread out of here. Trinitron9, Coney Allen, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down.
Switchblade, RickFlare, adios, amigo. Big man, got down. Bye-bye. Hey, enjoy. You watching that? Bye-bye.
Trinitron9, Coney Allen, checking on this mail. Break.
Yeah, man, this is 148 plugging my damn ear. I hear bits and pieces of everybody, man. No, 148 plugging my damn ear. Hey, that's what you see.
You said 148 is plugging your ears? You said 148 is plugging your ears. Trinitron9, Coney Allen, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
They better come take a bulletproof vest. Man, you got a freaking hammer down. You know I'm talking about radio. And that's a biggest show.